Tired of getting spawn camped and need a fresh start in Blox Fruits? Let's ditch this server. Step 1. Assess your situation. Are you on a populated island fighting for quests, or getting constantly defeated? Knowing why you want to switch helps. Step 2. Locate the Leave Game button. This is usually found in the game menu, often accessed by pressing the S key on your keyboard. Click that bad boy. Step 3. Once back on the Roblox main screen, simply rejoin Blox Fruits. You'll automatically be placed into a brand new server. That's all there is to it. You're now in a different Blox Fruits server, ready to conquer the seas. Remember, server hopping can help you find less crowded islands, better trading opportunities, or a chance to team up with new players. Now, tell me which is more important to you. If you choose grinding levels, like the video. If you love finding rare fruits, hit subscribe. If making new friends speaks to you more, leave a comment. And if this made you smile, give it a like. Happy sailing.